The founder of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria and Niger, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, has inaugurated a road named after him by Gwarzo Local Government Council on Saturday, the 17th of June 2023. The road, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, was named after the young professor by the Local Government Council Chairman, Engineer Bashir Abdullahi Kutama, for Professor Gwarzo's contribution to the development of the area, especially the areas of education. The road, which starts from the residence of Alhaji Ismaila Gwarzo, the former security advisor to the former head of state, late General Sani Abacha, links the road leading to the proposed site of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria Gwarzo campus, located on Gwarzo Dayi Road. Speaking while commissioning the road, Professor Gwarzo thanked the local government council and Gwarzo community for finding him worthy of the honor. He pledged to commence work on the proposed site of the university in Gwarzo so as to enable it to begin academic activities in earnest. We shall build the best university, which when completed will compete favorably with any university in Nigeria and beyond, he said. Among the management staff of MAAUN that attended the commissioning ceremony of the road include the president of the university, Professor Muhammad Israr, Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance, Dr. Noura Yaro, Director Linkages and Collaboration, Dr. Bala Muhammad Tukur, among others.